Welcome to Autoz Time. Today we're diving deep into one of the most powerful and aggressive SUVs in the world, the Range Rover Sport SVR. If you're a fan of performance, luxury, and unmistakable road presence, stay tuned, because this beast checks all the boxes. Let's start with the heart of the SVR, the engine. Under the hood, you get a 5.0-liter supercharged V8, pumping out a monstrous 575 horsepower and 700 Nm of torque. That's enough to launch this full-size SUV from 0 to 60 mph in just 4.3 seconds. Yes, you heard that right. A Range Rover that accelerates like a sports car. And thanks to its throaty exhaust note, especially in dynamic mode, the SVR doesn't just go fast, it sounds like a roaring lion on the prowl. But it's not just straight-line speed. The SVR features an upgraded suspension system and adaptive dynamics, giving it sharper handling than you'd ever expect from an SUV of this size. Cornering feels more controlled, and the body roll is significantly reduced compared to the standard Range Rover Sport. Whether you're cruising through city streets or attacking mountain curves, the SVR feels more like a high-performance crossover than a full-bodied SUV. Visually, the SVR separates itself with aggressive styling cues. You'll notice the larger front intakes, blacked-out details, and a sporty rear diffuser with quad exhaust tips. The 22-inch alloy wheels and unique SVR badging leave no doubt. This isn't your average Range Rover, and when finished in colors like Estoril Blue or Firenze Red, it grabs attention wherever it goes. Step inside, and you're greeted by the perfect balance of luxury and performance. The interior is draped in premium leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber trims. The SVR performance seats are not only incredibly supportive, but also visually striking with their slim profile and contrast stitching. The 10-inch Touch Pro Duo infotainment system provides a sleek, futuristic interface, though it can be a bit laggy at times. Still, everything you touch feels premium, and it reminds you that this is a high-end luxury SUV at heart. When it comes to practicality, the SVR doesn't compromise much. It offers plenty of legroom and cargo space, and you still get all the off-road tech Range Rover is known for. Terrain response 2, hill descent control, and adjustable air suspension are all included. So even though it's built for speed, it's still capable of handling rough trails and slippery terrain. On the road, the SVR delivers a driving experience that's hard to match. It gives you confidence, power, and presence in equal measure. It's not just about going fast, it's about doing it in style and comfort. And when you step on the gas, the way it pushes you back in your seat is addictive. It makes every drive feel like an event. Of course, with great power comes great cost. The SVR sits at the top of the Range Rover Sport lineup, and its price reflects that. But for those who crave performance without sacrificing luxury or space, it's a price many are willing to pay. Plus, with its bold design and unmistakable growl, the SVR is as much about making a statement as it is about performance. So if you're in the market for a luxury SUV that can outrun some sports cars and still take you comfortably through the city or countryside, the Range Rover Sport SVR deserves a serious look. It's loud, fast, and unapologetically bold, just the way we like it here at Autoz Time. Would you like me to help turn this into a voiceover-ready version with pacing and pauses?